Good morning, everyone. Good morning, bright and early. Bright and early. Wow, my eyes are like hardly open. Listen, I want to do a welcome video this week and emphasize a little bit more on the joy. I hope everybody is well and healthy, and I hope you're not going too crazy, right? So we're hoping we're getting some openings going on and stuff. Please stay safe. Please exercise caution and err on the side of caution. We don't all need to go hang out with each other right away. I think we've figured out that this virus is scary because of the strains, because of the way it is contracted, right? How contagious it is. So please be safe and be careful. I love you all very much, and I miss you. I want to talk a little bit about joy today. So, and how is it that we are joyful people? Okay, I don't know if you know this or not, but my entire year I have been spending on this virtue, trying to be a more joyful person, trying to not take for granted the lovely things in my life and the things that are great about my life. And I have discovered in my reading and my prayer that joy is really the wellspring of something we call gratitude. And if we are grateful every single day for simple things, it automatically brings joy to our hearts. Okay, and there are three things I think we need to really look at when we think of joy. First of all, that's gratitude, and that's that sense of I'm grateful. I'm grateful for my relationships. I'm grateful that I woke up breathing today. Sometimes it's a simple thing, right? That we have to learn to be grateful for, so that we can be grateful for the bigger things. And then when things do go wrong, we still recognize the beautiful things in our lives, right? Another thing we really need to look at is, am I content in my life? Like, am I content in my daily journey? Right? And what about my daily journey do I need to adjust or fix to maybe be more content? And finally, do I trust God has this all under control? Even this COVID-19 thing. I mean, is God in this? What is his purpose for this, right? So keep emphasizing joy and recognize you need to bring joy to others. Smile more, and laugh. Okay. I was thinking the other day when I was going to do this video, what were some of the things I could share with you that bring me joy? And there's two that just pop in my head right away. Number one is my husband's laugh. My husband, Mike. I love his laugh. And when he laughs, I laugh because it just brings me joy, right? I just love the sound of it. Another thing that brings me great joy, and she'll probably kill me if she sees this video, my daughter Mariana is home from college, and her hair makes me laugh. Mariana has kind of chestnut curls, and they're curls all over the place. And I look at her in the mornings, and when she's just kind of fresh, and she's just kind of got these curls everywhere, it reminds me of when she was a little girl, and it brings me joy. So think of these things in your own life, okay, that bring you joy. And I hope you have a great week. There are videos to watch for all of you today in classes concerning end of the year information. So God bless you. Take care.